to my Working with Calendar video. I'm Vince Heather, your network admin. I'm going to jump right into Office 365 by simply Googling O365 from any browser. I'm looking for a login.microsoftonline.com site. Click that link. Log in as your first initial last name at ltps.org with your network password. Now, your screen may come up a little differently, but you want to get to calendars, so you're going to go up to the upper left-hand corner to the tiles icon. Click on that and go down and click calendar. Okay, so this is your calendar. That's your personal calendar right here, and other calendars such as departmental calendars. So now we want to add a cart calendar, and I'll show you how to do that here. So we're going to go up to Add Calendar from Directory. And if you type in the first couple initials of your school, LES, BF, EP, SW, and then search Directory, a list will come up. You should see some cart calendars in there, possibly conference rooms. Select your cart and click Open. That will now give you a LES Laptop Cart 2 calendar. You can see that up here. We're going to go up and add a second calendar from Directory. LES Laptop Cart. If you know the name of the calendar, you can include that. Clicking Open will display Laptop Cart 4 calendar. All of these calendars are displayed at this point. I can undisplay them or unselect them, and the overlays will change as I do that. So I can see I have 3 calendars here. I'm going to go up, and now we want to reserve a cart. So we're going to go up to New, Calendar Event. Okay, we're going to put in what we're doing with the cart on a particular day. The name of the lesson, for instance. I'm going to click on Add a Location or Room, and then Add Room. This will display all the rooms we've created across the district, so you will have to find your building in your cart. Only the elementary school carts are reserved, so only those are displayed. Find my cart, click on it. Okay, I want to select my time that I need the cart, and as I select the time, the availability over on the right will display and change accordingly to show me if the cart is available. In this case, you can see it's free, and you're going to fill that time slot right there. Okay, so I want to come up here and click Send. Right now these are set to auto approve. We can have it set so that someone has to approve the reservation. In this case, it shows up in your calendar as a lesson. You get a response, auto respond, that you've been approved. You can delete that. It's not real important because it's showing up in your calendar. I need to add LES Cart 1 from Directory. LES. Search. Open. Okay. So as you can see, I have my LES Cart 1 calendar displayed, and that's the calendar that everyone else can see, and it shows my name as having that cart to the rest of the district. And if I click and display my calendar, it shows up in my calendar as a lesson. Now if I change my mind and I want to cancel that lesson, I have to do it from my calendar. So simply right click Go down to cancel. And send the cancellation. And it's gone.